Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're diving into part 2 of a super important topic, natural remedies to keeping our blood arteries healthy for a strong, vibrant heart. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stick around to learn some easy and tasty ways to support your heart health naturally. Let's get started. Another power food to explore is the amazing benefits of anti-inflammatory herbs and spices for keeping our arteries healthy and our hearts strong. Adding these natural ingredients to your daily routine is simple and can have a big impact on your heart health. First up, we have ginger. This powerful root is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce arterial stiffness, preventing plaque from forming in our arteries. You can easily add ginger to teas, smoothies, or even fresh juice for a bit of spice and a boost to your heart health. Next, cayenne pepper. Cayenne contains capsaicin, which is known for boosting blood flow, lowering cholesterol, and even reducing blood pressure. It helps keep arteries clear and flexible, supporting healthy blood flow throughout the body. Just a dash in your food or a spicy drink can bring these benefits to your daily routine. And let's not forget cinnamon. Not only does cinnamon help stabilize blood sugar levels, but it also reduces lipid levels, making it beneficial for artery health. A sprinkle of cinnamon on your morning oatmeal, coffee, or smoothie can be a heart-healthy habit to start your day. Adding these anti-inflammatory spices, ginger, cayenne pepper, and cinnamon can make a big difference in supporting your heart and keeping those arteries healthy. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, it's the little choices we make each day that build up to lasting heart health. Again, I want to highlight the importance of hydration for keeping our arteries and heart in top shape. Staying well hydrated might seem simple, but it plays a big role in maintaining good blood flow and overall heart health. Let's start with the basics. Water. Keeping hydrated is essential because it helps maintain smooth blood flow and prevents our blood from thickening. When we're dehydrated, blood becomes thicker, making it harder for the heart to pump efficiently. Drinking enough water throughout the day can reduce this strain on the heart and keep circulation running smoothly. To make hydration even more enjoyable, try infused water with citrus and mint. Adding slices of lemon or lime along with fresh mint not only makes water more appealing, but also brings some added benefits. Citrus adds antioxidants and vitamin C, both of which support artery health, while mint provides a refreshing taste and a gentle boost for circulation. So, whether it's a simple glass of water or a refreshing citrus mint infusion, staying hydrated is an easy but powerful way to support your heart and keep those arteries healthy. Thanks for joining me, and here's to making hydration a heart-healthy habit. Also, let's dive into the world of healthy fats and how they play a key role in keeping our arteries flexible and our heart strong. Incorporating these fats into your diet can really support artery health, so let's explore a few of my favorites. First up, nuts like almonds and walnuts. These are packed with monounsaturated fats and magnesium, which work together to keep our arteries flexible and reduce inflammation. Walnuts, in particular, are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for both heart health and lowering cholesterol levels. Just a small handful of nuts each day can be a delicious way to support your arteries. Next, let's talk about avocados. This creamy fruit is loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of artery damage. Adding avocado to your meals, whether on toast, in a salad, or as a smoothie addition, gives you a healthy fat boost that your heart will thank you for. Finally, there's olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil. It's full of antioxidants and healthy fats that help lower LDL, or bad cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. Drizzling a bit of olive oil on your salads or cooked veggies is an easy and tasty way to incorporate it into your daily diet. Adding healthy fats from nuts, avocado, and olive oil is a simple yet effective way to keep your arteries flexible and your heart protected. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, these small changes in our diet can make a big difference for heart health. Also, I want to share some essential minerals and vitamins that play a big role in keeping our arteries healthy and supporting overall heart health. These nutrients are easy to incorporate into your routine and can make a real difference for your heart. Let's start with magnesium. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels and supports healthy blood pressure levels. It's found in leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and even dark chocolate, so there are plenty of delicious ways to get this important mineral. A little magnesium each day can go a long way in keeping blood flow smooth and reducing strain on the heart. Next up, vitamin D. This vitamin is essential for artery health because it helps reduce arterial stiffness, keeping our blood vessels flexible. We get vitamin D naturally from sunlight, but it's also found in fortified foods and can be taken as a supplement if needed. Ensuring you have enough vitamin D is key for heart health, especially in the colder months when we don't get as much sun. And finally, potassium, which is found in foods like bananas and sweet potatoes. Potassium helps balance out sodium levels in the body, which lowers blood pressure and helps protect our arteries from damage. Adding potassium-rich foods to your diet is a simple way to give your heart a boost. So, from magnesium in leafy greens to vitamin D from the sun and potassium-packed bananas, these minerals and vitamins are your heart's best friends. Thanks for watching, and here's to nourishing your heart with these supportive nutrients. Let's also explore the amazing benefits of fermented foods for both gut and heart health. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics, which don't just support digestion, they play a big role in reducing inflammation and keeping our arteries healthy too. Let's start with Greek yogurt. This delicious and creamy option is rich in probiotics, which help maintain a healthy gut. A balanced gut microbiome is linked to lower inflammation levels throughout the body, and less inflammation means healthier, more resilient arteries. Adding a serving of Greek yogurt to your daily routine is a simple way to nourish both your gut and your heart. Next, let's talk about fermented vegetables like kimchi and sauerkraut. These tangy, flavorful veggies are also packed with probiotics that can positively impact cholesterol levels and even help lower blood pressure. By keeping cholesterol and blood pressure in check, kimchi and sauerkraut provide great support for artery health. You can add a small side of these veggies to your meals for both flavor and health benefits. And finally, we have kefir, a probiotic-rich, tangy drink that's great for gut health. Studies suggest that kefir may help support healthy blood pressure and reduce inflammation, both of which are beneficial for clean and healthy arteries. Try adding kefir to your breakfast or enjoy it as a refreshing snack. Incorporating fermented foods like Greek yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir into your diet is an easy way to support both gut and heart health. Thanks for joining me, and here's to keeping our heart and gut happy with the power of probiotics. Next, let's explore some natural remedies that can help keep our arteries clear and support heart health. These simple, time-honored solutions use ingredients you may already have at home, and they're easy to add to your routine. First, we have lemon and garlic water. This combination has long been valued for its artery cleansing benefits. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps reduce plaque buildup, while garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound known for supporting heart health by relaxing blood vessels. Just add the juice of half a lemon and a crushed garlic clove to warm water each morning for a refreshing start that's great for your heart. Next up is turmeric golden milk. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce inflammation in the arteries and may prevent clots that block blood flow. When you add a pinch of black pepper, it helps your body absorb curcumin more effectively. Mix turmeric and black pepper with your favorite milk dairy-free options like almond or coconut milk. Work well and enjoy it as a soothing, heart-friendly drink in the evening. These natural remedies, lemon and garlic water and turmeric golden milk, are easy to make, and they can go a long way in supporting clear, healthy arteries. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to simple steps for a heart-healthy lifestyle. I also want to highlight the importance of regular checkups for heart health and preventing artery-related issues. Staying proactive with routine health checks can help us catch and manage potential problems early on, which is a huge step toward keeping our arteries healthy. First, let's talk about routine blood pressure monitoring. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it can quietly damage artery walls over time without noticeable symptoms. This damage can lead to artery stiffness and plaque buildup, increasing the risk of heart problems. Regularly monitoring your blood pressure, either at home or with your doctor, allows you to stay aware and take steps to manage it before it becomes a bigger issue. Next, keeping an eye on cholesterol and blood sugar levels is just as important. High cholesterol and elevated blood sugar can lead to conditions like atherosclerosis, where arteries become clogged and narrow, making it harder for blood to flow through. Routine blood tests help you understand where your levels stand so you can make informed choices about diet, exercise, and any treatments that might be needed. So, by staying on top of routine checks like blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels, you're taking meaningful steps toward a heart-healthy future. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, prevention is key to long-term heart health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated.